Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To copy and paste into Android, the first thing we do is press for 2 seconds on a word. When we do this, it will appear shaded. That means that the word, countertop, is selected. There are some options here. Let's click on Select All. All the text in this publication will be selected. But how can I select just one paragraph or sentence? First you have to unselect. Click anywhere and this shading will disappear. I will press 2 seconds on the word, immediately. Here we can see that some small icons appear at the beginning and end of the word. We can press and drag these to select all the words that we want to copy and paste. In this case I have selected this whole paragraph. Then we click on Copy. To paste this text, click here for 2 seconds and then click on Paste. Now, we send the message. For example, to copy a message in WhatsApp, it's similar, but here it's copied by whole messages. Press for 2 seconds and then click this button. That's it. We've copied the message. I'll go to Facebook and click here for 2 seconds. We click on Paste. That's it. Finally, in case we want to copy a normal cell phone message, we press for 2 seconds and choose the option, Copy Text. Now go to WhatsApp, press 2 seconds and click on Paste. Excellent. Here the whole message appeared, so we save a lot of time of not writing everything again. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.